Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a C by GE Cync smart switch, the toggle version where it toggles up and down to turn on and off, and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do a hard reset for any number of reasons. Maybe it's not connecting or not syncing with your devices, or maybe it's not responding or not behaving in the way that the protocol is telling it to do, or any kind of troubleshooting issues like this, or maybe you just want to get a fresh start because you're installing it somewhere else. For any of these reasons, a hard reset is very easy to do, and I'll show you how to do it right now. Just keeping in mind, once you do this, you'll need to reset everything up. But if you would like to do that, all you need to do is come in on this switch, and we're just going to press it up and hold it up like we were toggling into the opposition. We're just going to hold it up until this indicator light turns red. It'll take about 10 seconds. So we just hold it up until the light turns red. Once the light turns red, you can let go of the switch, and then just wait until this light flashes blue once. That means the reset is complete. Then you can set it up with whatever devices you like.